In last lecture, we studied inductive effect, how inductive effect affect the strength of organic acids and bases. Now today, we are going to study the next factor which affect the strength of organic acid and base is resonance effect. As most of you know what is meant by resonance effect. The resonance effect is defined as the delocalization of pi electrons in a conjugated system. This is called resonance effect. Now, for the best known example is benzene. In benzene, there is presence of pi electron, and that also have the conjugated system. Conjugated system, that means the molecule must have double bond, single bond and double bond. This is called conjugated system. And in resonance effect, the first requirement is the molecule must have pi electron and that remain in a conjugated form. So like that, this benzene molecule have the conjugated system. But when we draw benzene, then most of the time we draw the structure of benzene in a canonical form. So this circle which is present is a canonical form. This is resonance hybrid. The meaning of this is the double bond present in the benzene is continuously delocalized in the ring by resonance effect. So when this double bond is shifted at the neighboring position, then to balance the valency, this pi bond have to shift at its neighboring position. At the same time, third pi bond is also shifted at the neighboring position. So in this way, at a time, all these pi electrons are shifted by resonance effect and that get converted into the new structural form in which the position of pi bond is different. Now here, the position of pi bond is at 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. Here, position of pi bond is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. So in this way, due to resonance effect, due to delocalization, position of pi bond is changes, but this structure is not remain for a longer time. At the next moment, these pi electrons are shifted at the next position. That means you again get the same structure. So this structure again converted into this form. So due to that delocalization of pi electron, this benzene molecule is written in this form because we could not recognize the position of double bond. So that's why we will write the benzene in a resonance hybrid form. So this is about the resonance effect. Now we will discuss resonance effect by some example. For example, if we consider sodium hydroxide, then we consider alcohol, we consider carboxylic acid, and we consider phenol. When you observe this molecule, then all these molecules have OH functional group. And when we consider their acidity and basicity of the molecule, then the sodium hydroxide is base. According to the Arrhenius definition, the molecule which gives the hydroxide ion is basic. So NaOH after ionization or dissociation, it gets converted into Na plus and OH minus ion. When alcohol we consider, then alcohols are neutral. Why alcohols are neutral? The reason is due to electron donating inductive effect by this alkyl group that makes this oxygen more electron rich. At the same time, oxygen withdraws electron from the neighboring position. So due to that, the oxygen create more electronegativity, it becomes electron rich, it creates partial negative charge. At the same time, to its neighboring position, the hydrogen is present that create partial positive charge. And due to that partial positive and negative charges, the molecule by electrostatic force of attraction form the strong bond between oxygen and hydrogen. So it needs very high energy to break this bond. So that's why the alcohols are neutral. According to definition of acid and base, these alcohols could not give the H plus ion, and that's why they are neutral. Now when we observe the carboxylic functional group, then here alkyl group will donate their electron by inductive effect, but at the same time this oxygen donate its electron by resonance or mesomeric effect. When it donates its electron pair, then you will get the new structure, and here the oxygen donate its electron pair to the oxygen. That means electron pair is shifted from electronegative atom to electronegative atom. So that's why this is the resonating effect in carboxyl functional group. But when you observe, when this oxygen shifted its electron pair, then it acquires positive charge because the valency of oxygen increases to 3. And when oxygen acquires positive charge, then it is unstable state because oxygen always try to remain in its electronegative form. So due to that, oxygen try to become again electron rich by taking the electron pair from the neighboring bond. So in this way, the electron pair present at this center is shifted at the oxygen, and hydrogen itself is in a electropositive state. Its nature is positive. That's why these electrons are shifted at the oxygen. So when these are shifted at the oxygen, positive charge will be shifted at the hydrogen. And here you get this structure, H plus. And any molecule which can donate the H plus ion, then that become acid. So that's why these carboxylic functional groups are acidic due to resonance effect. Again we shifted to the phenolic OH. Then you know the phenols are weak acids. Why phenols are weak acid? Because when you compare alcohols and phenol, then this is aliphatic alcohol, this is aromatic alcohol, ROH, AROH. But this is neutral and this is weakly acidic. This is weakly acidic because when the phenol undergo resonating effect, then the electron present at the oxygen is shifted into the ring. When it is shifted into the ring, then it forms the new resonating structure in which negative charge is formed at ortho position, oxygen become positive and remaining double bonds are remain as it is. So this is the resonating structure, and this resonating structure is same as this molecule in which oxygen will acquire positive charge. Here also phenolic oxygen acquire the positive charge. When this is positive, then that need the electron, so that will take the electron from the neighboring bond and then that become electron rich. When this take the electron pair, then that get converted into double bond O, this remain as it is, and this is converted, here double bond, here negative charges remain as it is, double bond and double. So same structure, only this oxygen hydrogen bond is break and it get converted into H plus, and the molecule which donate the H plus ion is called acidic. So that's why the phenols are also acidic, but phenols are weakly acidic. Why phenols are weakly acidic? Because when the phenol is converted this resonating structure into this, and when this negative charge shifted from ortho position to para position, here it creates negative charge. Again from para position it shifted to second ortho position, and from this position it shifted to the oxygen. So that means when we consider the resonating structures, then phenol have three resonating structure in which it have the negative charge at ortho, para and ortho position, and that structural form phenolic oxygen is in positive form and it try to break the oxygen hydrogen bond. So that means in this structural form phenol is acidic in nature, because in that structural form only the phenol give the H+ ion. But when we consider this phenol, then this phenolic structure is same as the alcohol, in which due to inductive effect this oxygen is withdrawing the electron from neighboring atom. That's why that create delta negative charge. At the same time this will create delta positive charge. Due to forming the opposite charges, this oxygen and hydrogen bond becomes stronger by electrostatic force of attraction. So in this structural form phenol cannot easily give the proton, but when phenol undergo resonating effect, when it forms the resonating structures, then in that structure oxygen will acquire positive charge, and that's why that can take the electron from the oxygen hydrogen bond and hydrogen is converted into H+. So in that structural form phenol can give the H+ ion. So that's why the phenol is acidic, but it is weak acid because phenol is not always ready to donate the H+ ion like carboxylic acid. Carboxylic acid is always ready to donate the H+ ion because these electrons are shifted from this oxygen to this oxygen, electronegative atom to electronegative atom. So that's why this is always ready to donate the H+ ion. But in phenol, it could not always ready to donate the H+ ion. So that's why the phenols are weakly acidic. So this is when we compare, then sodium hydroxide is base, even if these have hydroxide. Alcohols are neutral, even if these have the OH group. Carboxylic functional groups are the strong acid, even they also have the OH functional group, and phenol is weakly acid, even if they also have the OH. So that means it is not depend on the which functional group is present, but it is depend on which effect is present in the molecule. So this is the some of the example. Now we will discuss another example. Now we consider phenol, and that we will compare with the substituted phenol. Orthonitrophenol, paranitrophenol, and metanitrophenol. Now we know that the phenols are acidic. So now out of this phenol, which is more acidic and why? When we consider the resonance effect, all these molecules will show the resonance effect, and when the phenol will donate its electron pair into the ring, then the oxygen become positive. So we apply the same concept and we conclude from that if the electron density on the oxygen will be shifted more strongly into the ring, then that oxygen become positive easily, and that can break the oxygen hydrogen bond and hydrogen become H+. So NiO2 is electron withdrawing functional group, and due to this withdrawing functional group, it withdraws the electron from phenol. When it withdraws the electron, then these electrons are shifted here, and you know that nitro is strongly electron withdrawing group as compared to all the electron withdrawing functional group. So that when this is shifted, you get this structural form. And when you compare, the electron pair is shifted from oxygen to oxygen. So that's why this structural form is remained for a longer time due to electron withdrawing tendency of this nitro, and due to that this oxygen hydrogen bond become weak because this oxygen need that electron pair, so hydrogen is converted into H plus, and when it gives the H plus and it become acidic. So that as compared to phenol, orthonitrophenol is acidic, more acidic. When we compare the paranitrophenol, then that paranitrophenol also have the same resonating structure in which the electrons are shifted into the nitro functional group. So then this is also acidic, but as compared to orthonitrophenol, this is less acidic or weakly acidic. The reason is because this orthonitrophenol, the resonance effect is stronger due to its distance. It is nearer to the OH functional group. And when we consider the meta-substituted, then meta-substituted will show inductive effect as well as resonance effect. But the nitro group could not withdraw the electron directly from the oxygen. So that's why this is weakly acidic, but this is more stronger acid as compared to phenol. So that means if the electron withdrawing functional group is present in the phenol, then that makes phenol more acidic as compared to phenol. Now then, if we shift or replace this nitro functional group by electron donating CH3, then what will be the resonance effect in this molecule? Now, methyl do not show resonance effect, so this can donate the electron by inductive effect. This also donate the electron by inductive effect. This also donate the electron by inductive effect. That make the ring electron rich. So if ring become electron rich, then ring don't need the electron from this, and if no withdrawing group is there, then this oxygen lone pair is not withdrawn strongly by the ring or by the functional group. So that's why when we compare this with phenol, then these molecules are less acidic as compared to phenol. So we may say that if electron donating substituent is present at the phenol, then that decreases the acidity of phenol, and if electron withdrawing substituent is present at the phenol, that increases the acidity of phenol. Again, at this position, if we introduce OH, OCH3, OH or OCH3 functional group, or here OH or OCH3 functional group, then as compared to methyl, this OH and OCH3 increases the electron density at the ring center more strongly as compared to phenol. So if electron density is more, the acidity is less. So same concept, when electron donating substituent is present at the ring, then that increases electron density and decreases the acidity of the molecule. Now come to the next example. Benzoic acid and its saturated counterpart cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. Now out of these two, this is stronger acid. Reason is this ring is having conjugated system, they delocalizes electron, and by inductive effect this ring is not able to donate the electron pair, because carbon-carbon double bond do not have tendency to donate the electron. So that's why this cannot donate the electron. So the electron density at the carboxyl center is not increases, But here, as we studied in inductive effect, if bulkier is the alkyl group attached, that increases the electron density at carboxyl center, and if electron density is increases, then acidity of the molecule is decreases. So that's why the benzoic acid is more stronger acid than cyclohexyl carboxylic acid. Or we may say the sp2 hybridized carbon is more acidic as compared to sp3 carbon when the carboxyl functional groups are attached to this center. Again, we compare the acidity of this molecule with respect to the electron donating and electron withdrawing substituent. So when we compare nitro substituent at para, ortho or meta position, so when we compare these two functional groups, this carbonyl is electron withdrawing as well as nitro is also withdrawing. These both are withdraw the electron, but nitro is strongly electron withdrawing functional group. So if this strong withdrawing functional group is present in the molecule, then that shifts the electron toward the nitro, and this can convert into this form. So that means this process is step by step. This process is step by step. That means first this electron is shifted here, positive charge is formed, then this double bond is shifted, then positive charge is formed, then this double bond is shifted, then positive charge is formed by resonance effect. Now we are interested in this structure. That's why I write this structure here. When nitro withdraw the electron from the ring, then it creates positive charge at the center where carboxyl functional group is there. Now this is electron deficient center. When this is electron deficient center, then this could not provide the electron to this carboxyl functional group. So that means this is electron deficient and this is electron withdrawing. Here no electron density is available to withdraw this carbonyl functional group. So that's why the electron density present at this molecule that need the electron, so that taken from the other side, oxygen from oxygen hydrogen bond. That's why this bond become weak and that can easily give the H plus ion as compared to benzoic acid. That's why the para-nitrobenzoic acid, ortho-nitrobenzoic acid is stronger acid. But when we compare meta-nitrobenzoic acid, then in meta-nitrobenzoic acid, this could not create the positive center at the carbonyl carbon where it is attached. So when this is shifted here, you will get the resonating structure in which positive charge is formed here, double bond, here double bond, minus. This structure is formed in which positive charge is away from this center. That's why its effect is less. So this is the weaker acid as compared to ortho-nitro benzoic acid and para-nitro benzoic acid. In ortho-nitro benzoic acid as well as para-nitro benzoic acid, this positive charge is generated or formed at the same center, and that's why they could not provide the electron density. So it take the electron density from other side, and that's why this become more acidic. So then, if electron withdrawing group is present at ortho and para position, then the benzoic acid become stronger acid, or carboxyl functional become stronger. When instead of nitro functional group, if we add electron donating group, like OH, now then this increase the electron density at this center. When it increases the electron density, you will get negative charge at this center, when this get negative charge at this center, then this molecule will take the electron from this, because this is electron this center, this provide the electron to this carbonyl. But now here this is also the OH plus, so this can give the H plus ion easily because oxygen is converted into plus. But here if we introduce CH3, then here no more hydrogen is there to donate the H plus ion. So if this cannot give the H plus ion, then it increases electron density at this center. This is the electron rich. So this can provide the electron to that, increase the electron density, decrease the acidity of the molecule. So then, if electron withdrawing functional group is present at alpha and para, then it becomes more acidic. And if electron donating functional group is present, then at alpha and para position, then that benzoic acid is the weak acid. When we compare para-hydroxybenzoic acid and ortho-hydroxybenzoic acid, then out of that, which is more stronger acid? When we compare these two molecules, then this become the stronger acid due to ortho position. This is also acid, but as compared to this is weaker acid because this molecule have intermolecular hydrogen bonding and this molecule have intramolecular hydrogen bonding. And due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, this can easily converted into H plus ion. So how then that is responsible? Now when these electrons are shifted at this center, then this is converted into O minus and this gets stabilized by this oxygen. So then this is stabilized due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So this is intramolecular. Such intramolecular hydrogen bonding is not possible because in phenol OH group is away from this carboxyl functional group. So if it have to form the hydrogen bond, then it form hydrogen bond from the neighboring molecule So this is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Oh, sorry, here hydrogen. Here it can be formed the intermolecular hydrogen bonding between two and more molecules. If they form the bond, that is called intermolecular hydrogen bonding. And in a single molecule, the hydrogen bonding is formed, that is called intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding, this becomes stronger acid, and due to intermolecular hydrogen bonding, this is weak acid as compared to ortho-hydroxy benzoic acid. Thank you. This is all about the acid, how resonance effect affect the acidity of the